Today in the grain market, beans did fall. The uptick in planting is definitely having an effect on the futures right now. Export sales were well short of what the forecast was, and that really put some pressure on the market here at the end of the week. Feed demand is still declining. The only hopeful news is that it's possible that China may step in a significant way to start to fulfill the phase one obligation. It is kind of a rumor right now, but that's still hopeful news in the face of the fact that the market really started to tumble a little bit today. Corn also was lower. Those ethanol plant closures, even though that they're temporary, are really adding some pressure on the market. ADM did make that announcement right now. This week, it looks like the range was from $3.09 up to $3.31. We're kind of right smack in the middle right now. So I guess that's one positive, that the market hasn't really fallen below that low number that we established on Tuesday. The funds are still short. We were hoping there would be some short covering. That kind of didn't happen today. But farmers are really starting to get back into the fields right now. That's their personal social distancing, and certainly they're happy to do it. So as we start to go forward, I think that the focus then is going to be on weather, and that's going to and its effect on what's happening with the market. Wheat also did drop down, and it was double digits lower, actually pretty strong. That overflow selling from corn and soybeans was definitely having an effect on the market. I think the momentum was a little bit lower. That range was from 535 to 561. Now that's the July range on that market, but today, even though the market fell pretty hard, it still stayed inside that range. So that's good. The US dollar index is a little bit higher, putting a little bit pressure on the market, and it's been higher basically for the week, even though today it was a little bit lower. But those are things that are affecting these markets. Europe and Russia has been a little bit drier, so those kind of things, might help the market somewhat, but it's really kind of a short-term thing right now. All the grains were a little bit lower today, and as the lockdown, expansion starts to grow or not, because there's some states that seem to be opening up, some states are extending their lockdown, is definitely having an effect on our grain market today. So today all markets a little bit lower. Hopefully we get something better come Monday morning.